friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen Trader Joe's Pastry Pups in the air fryer. So what are the Pastry Pups? They're little mini hot dogs wrapped in puff pastry and sprinkled with Parmesan cheese. That sounds amazing, and it tastes so good. An air fryer is perfect for cooking them. So all we need to do is open up the package and put the frozen Pastry Pups in the air fryer. So I'm going to take the air fryer basket. No need to defrost, we're cooking them straight from frozen, so just put them in the air fryer in a single layer for best results. And now, let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 370 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 10 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Wow, look at these Pastry Pups. They look amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. They look so good. Let me take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. Looks so good. And look at those Parmesan cheese. They're so brown. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. Perfect. They taste so delicious with a crispy, flaky pastry with Parmesan cheese on the outside and a juicy hot dogs on the inside. This is a perfect combination. Tastes so delicious. In the air fryer, they're crispy, not soggy. Air fryer is a perfect tool for cooking them. Try it, you will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!